Mastering customer feedback analysis. Companies are wasting customer feedback because they're not storing it right. Why do we currently employ a process for collecting customer feedback, and how is this valuable information subsequently stored to ensure its accessibility for informing operational excellence and driving continuous improvement? Establishing a process for collecting customer feedback is essential for organizations seeking to achieve operational excellence and drive continuous improvement. This process enables companies to gather valuable insights from their customers, which can be leveraged to identify areas of strength and weakness, make data-driven decisions, and implement changes that enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. The process of collecting customer feedback typically involves multiple channels, including online reviews, social media, email, and in-person interactions. These channels provide customers with various opportunities to share their experiences, opinions, and suggestions, which can be both positive and negative. To ensure that this wealth of information is effectively captured and utilized, organizations must have a robust system in place for storing and analyzing customer feedback. One effective approach is to utilize a customer feedback management system, which is a centralized platform that enables companies to collect, categorize, and analyze customer feedback from various sources. This system can be integrated with existing customer relationship management (CRM) software, allowing organizations to connect customer feedback with specific customer interactions, transactions, and profiles. The customer feedback management system should have the capability to store feedback in a structured and standardized format, enabling easy analysis and comparison of data over time. This can be achieved through the use of predefined categories, tags, and sentiment analysis, which enable organizations to quickly identify emerging trends, patterns, and areas of concern. Once customer feedback is stored, it can be analyzed using various techniques, including text analytics, sentiment analysis, and Net Promoter Score (NPS) analysis. These techniques enable organizations to extract insights from customer feedback, including the identification of root causes of customer satisfaction and dissatisfaction, areas of strength and weakness, and opportunities for improvement. To ensure that customer feedback is accessible and actionable, organizations should establish clear roles and responsibilities for reviewing, analyzing, and responding to customer feedback. This can include designating a customer feedback owner or team, who are responsible for reviewing feedback, identifying themes and trends, and developing recommendations for improvement. The insights generated from customer feedback analysis can be used to drive operational excellence and continuous improvement in various ways. For example, customer feedback can be used to 1. Identify areas for process improvement. By analyzing customer feedback, organizations can identify areas of the customer experience that are causing frustration or dissatisfaction, and implement process improvements to address these issues. 2. Informed product development. Customer feedback can provide valuable insights for product development, enabling organizations to design and deliver products that meet customer needs and expectations. 3. Enhance customer engagement. By responding to customer feedback and demonstrating a commitment to customer satisfaction, organizations can build trust and loyalty with their customers, leading to increased customer engagement and retention. 4. Improve customer service. Customer feedback can be used to identify areas for improvement in customer service, enabling organizations to provide more effective and efficient support to their customers. In conclusion, collecting and storing customer feedback is essential for organizations seeking to achieve operational excellence and drive continuous improvement. By establishing a robust process for collecting and analyzing customer feedback, organizations can gather valuable insights that can be used to inform operational improvements, drive innovation, and enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty.